Hello, today I will show you how to solve the problem of ADD toner on the Ricoh Officio MP2553 and others from this collection. If you have already replaced the toner with a new one but it did not help, you will have to work a bit. First of all, open the copier and remove the drum unit from it. Remove the rear cover and remove the front cover. Prepare your workstation properly because you'll have to spill the developer. Remove all screws visible on the black housing, both visible from above and on the sides. Now remove the magnetic roller from the developer unit. You see two gears developer black and white. Probably one of them or both are damaged. Look carefully at them for missing teeth. If the wheels are damaged, you must replace them with new ones. But this is not the end. You have to check the other three gears. Unfortunately, whenever replacing wheels, you must replace the developer with a new one. Therefore, clean the magnetic roller with an anti-static vacuum cleaner. Lift up the developer unit upper casing to see the three remaining gears. Now you can see the last three wheels. If they need to be replaced, do it. If the wheels are okay, then clean them. Empty the old developer and clean the interior of the developer unit. Do it very carefully. shake the natural environment and dispose of the used developer for recycling. To replace gears with a new one, you must remove the housing or lift it. Release the latches, but be careful not to break them. I show it at an accelerated pace times 5, but you do it slowly and accurately. If your wheels were broken, now you have room to replace them. Place the housing in its place. If you found a damaged wheel, I am very happy because you will not have any more problems with the toner. Your copier adds toner and will be ready for copying. If all 5 gears were okay, it means that you had a used developer, so now you'll put in a new one. I am sure that new gears or a new developer will get your problems together. Paste and initialize a new developer type 28. If you do not know how to initialize the developer, see our other videos under the title Developer Ricoh Initialization. Thank you for watching this video. The voice of the movie was lent by Google. See you later.